Greetings! In this video we would like to showcase the point-in-time recovery function that comes with TeamDrive. You can create snapshots to roll back files to a previous state. This is especially important if a ransomware attack occurred or in case of data loss through a defect hard drive. You can secure your files and protect them in case of an emergency. First, open your TeamDrive client and navigate to the info screen of your space of choice. Within Advanced, you will find Server Snapshot. By default, Server Snapshots are enabled. In the next window, you can see all snapshots in a chronological order. Here you can change the snapshot frequency, which means how often snapshots are automatically created, and the snapshot maximum age, which means the storage duration of a snapshot. Also, by default, the snapshot frequency is set to 4 hours and the snapshot maximum age is set to 30 days. Should you require a snapshot immediately, you can hit the button that reads "Create Snapshot Now" in order to generate a snapshot which will be restored with the current selected snapshot age. If you wish not for snapshots to be created, simply disable the snapshot function altogether with a click on the button. With your mouse, hover over a snapshot of choice. There you have the option to remove a snapshot and select a preview to restore your files. To load up a snapshot in order to roll back your space and the files, click on the eye symbol and preview your space. The selected space will be marked with the corresponding eye symbol and will be highlighted. Take this opportunity and review your space to reassure that no mistakes are made. Upon rollback of a space, the existing space will be copied and renamed in your safe location to the space name _backup. Once the rollback is complete, a new space folder with the original name will be created seamlessly. If you are sure to restore the space, click on the button Restore Server Snapshot. A last warning will appear as a last chance to review the changes. Are you ready and still sure to proceed? Click on Continue and confirm the rollback with a final click on Rollback at the bottom of your screen. Under certain circumstances, storage problems may occur if you regularly delete files with great file sizes and snapshots enabled. If this is the case, your snapshots may hold back and retain the file sizes before they are automatically deleted. Snapshots must be able to restore the files on demand, thus retaining the file sizes of deleted data in order to roll back the space to a previous state. If you want to clean up your snapshots entirely, the best method would be to disable snapshots altogether and wait approximately 15 minutes for TeamDrive to synchronize these settings with the servers. The snapshots will be cleared and you can enable them back again. Simply create a snapshot now to guarantee your safety net for your space. Concluding, you should keep in mind that snapshots are connected to spaces. You can change and delete the contents of your space as you please and still be able to restore the files within. However, if you delete the entire space, you will also delete all snapshots that relate to it, rendering the point-in-time recovery impossible.